welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of EasyJet, an airline that has truly revolutionized affordable travel across Europe. Whether you're a budget-conscious explorer or planning a quick escape, EasyJet has established itself as a go-to choice. Let's explore everything you need to know about EasyJet. EasyJet's story began in 1995, founded by Stelios Hagioannou. His vision was clear: to make low-cost air travel accessible to everyone. At that time, the concept of budget airlines was relatively new in Europe, and EasyJet fundamentally transformed the market. Initially, EasyJet launched flights from London Luton to destinations like Glasgow and Edinburgh. Soon after, they rapidly expanded their reach across Europe, connecting major cities like Amsterdam and Barcelona. Their success was built on operational efficiency and pioneering online ticketing. EasyJet was one of the first airlines to heavily promote online booking, which significantly reduced costs and simplified the process for passengers. Today, EasyJet operates over 1,200 routes across 164 airports in more than 38 countries, making it one of Europe's largest airline networks. Their consistent focus has been on serving primary airports, ensuring travelers have direct access to major city centers. The defining characteristic of EasyJet is its low-cost model. This means they provide essential services, which keeps ticket prices down. However, this doesn't mean compromising on safety or core quality. Their philosophy is simple, convenient travel at a competitive price. When you book EasyJet flights, it's important to be aware of a few key policies. Baggage policy: EasyJet has a clear baggage policy. Each passenger is allowed one small under-seat cabin bag for free, which must fit within 45 by 36 by 20 centimeters. If you need a larger cabin bag or any hold luggage, these must be purchased separately. Detailed information on sizes and fees is available on their website. Remember, buying baggage at the airport gate can be more expensive, so it's always better to pre-book online. Seat selection: if you wish to choose a specific seat, such as an upfront seat or one with extra legroom, there's an additional charge. If you don't select a seat, one will be automatically assigned to you during check-in. Ancillary services: EasyJet also focuses on ancillary revenues, offering services like EasyJet Holidays. You can book flights in conjunction with hotels and car rentals. Additionally, they have an EasyJet Plus membership, which can be beneficial for frequent flyers, providing perks like free date changes and priority boarding. Now, let's talk about the most crucial aspect: how to find cheap EasyJet flights. EasyJet frequently offers EasyJet sale events and discounts. Here are some top tips to help you save. Book in advance. The most effective tip is to book your flights well in advance. EasyJet typically releases its flight schedules 6 to 9 months ahead of time. Start monitoring prices as soon as the schedule is released, as this is often when the best deals are available. Be flexible with dates. If you can be flexible with your travel dates, you stand to save significantly. Flights are often cheaper during weekdays or in off-peak seasons. Avoiding weekends and major holidays will generally lead to better savings. Use price comparison websites. Utilize price comparison websites like Skyscanner. These tools help you compare prices across EasyJet and other airlines. Don't forget to set up price alerts so you're notified when there's a price drop for your desired route. EasyJet's own tools. EasyJet's website features useful tools like the Low Fare Finder and Inspire Me. The Low Fare Finder helps you discover the cheapest flights for a specific route, while Inspire Me suggests destinations based on your budget and preferred travel type. These options are perfect for those who want to travel but aren't tied to a specific destination. Subscribe to newsletters. Sign up for EasyJet's newsletter. You'll receive direct email notifications about sales and special promotional offers as soon as they're released. Like any airline, EasyJet faces its share of challenges. Recent events, such as French ATC strikes, have impacted their flight operations, leading to cancellations and delays. In terms of customer service, EasyJet places a strong emphasis on digital channels, such as online chat and their mobile app. If you have an issue, using the online portal or app is often the quickest way to get assistance. Be aware that phone support may incur additional administration fees. As with many budget airlines, customer reviews can be mixed, especially during periods of disruption, so it's good to set these expectations. However, EasyJet is continuously modernizing its fleet, incorporating fuel-efficient aircraft, and actively working on sustainable aviation fuels. Their aim is to achieve net zero carbon emissions by 2050, which is a significant commitment within the aviation industry. In summary, EasyJet has truly transformed affordable air travel and continues to connect millions of passengers across Europe. Whether you're looking for EasyJet flights for a weekend getaway or eagerly awaiting an EasyJet sail for your summer holiday, a bit of planning and smart booking can lead to significant savings. We hope this script provides you with all the essential information you need for your video.